Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you the move Matrix, and it looks like this. So there are only 3 simple steps on this move. The first step is you have to basically roll your knees, and I'm telling you must have flexible knees and you must do stretching before learning this move. So first step is to come on your toe and roll your knees. Just a simple move. Come on your toe and roll your knees inward, and you will come in an Indian inverted position. From side it looks like this. Come on your toe, roll your knees inward, and you will come in the first step position. You have to land on side of your foot and you will come in this position. You have to roll your leg and come in this position. This position is just simple position. You have to just roll your knees inward. The second step is, after coming in this position, you have to bend your knees forward. You don't have to lean back. Leaning back is the third step. After first step you have to roll your knees inward and bend them forward. Now in the third step, after bending your knees forward, you have to lean back. Bend your knees forward and lean back. Roll your knees inward. The second step, bend your knees forward, and the third step, and then third and the final step, lean back. Remember, first you have to bend your knees forward, then you have to lean back, or you will hurt yourself. All I want to say you all, just practice and you will get this move. Thank you. So here it was my first tutorial. If you liked this video, subscribe right here and watch my all other dance videos. Give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Peace out.